Imagine receiving a vaccine or medication without the pinch of a needle or the responsibility of remembering to swallow a pill multiple times throughout the day. Once further, if you can't swallow or digest a pill, this allows you to take medications you otherwise wouldn't be able to. In this video, we'll explore what microneedle patches are, how they work, and the processes used to manufacture them. Microneedle patches are a specialized type of transdermal patch that deliver medications through an array of tiny needles embedded within the adhesive patch. Unlike traditional injections, they allow drugs or vaccines to enter the body through the skin without the need for syringes. Each patch consists of an adhesive layer that holds the needles against the skin, and depending on the design, the needles may already contain the drug solution or be paired with a separate transdermal patch for delivery. Microneedle patches function by pressing the array of needles into the skin's outermost layer, creating microscopic punctures that are typically painless. Once the pathways are established, the drug solution moves through the layers of skin until it reaches the dermis, where it enters the bloodstream through the capillaries. Because they bypass the digestive system and inject drugs directly into circulation, they can provide consistent delivery over time and are especially useful for patients who have trouble with oral medication or want to avoid invasive injections. The materials used to make microneedle patches are carefully selected to balance adhesion, comfort, and medical safety. The adhesive backing must be strong enough to secure the patch and microneedle array to the skin for the required duration. Often, skin-safe silicone adhesives are used to create a bond. Choosing the right skin adhesive is critical, and manufacturers often collaborate with converters to finalize a patch design that works safely and effectively. There are several types of microneedles, each with unique properties tailored to different medical needs. Solid microneedles puncture the skin and are then removed, leaving behind microchannels for a transdermal patch to deliver drugs. Coated microneedles carry a thin layer of drug solution that dissolves upon insertion, but the coating restricts dosage size. Hollow microneedles allow direct flow of drugs through their empty channels, which makes them useful for diagnostics and higher dose delivery, though they can sometimes clog or leak. Dissolvable microneedles, made from sugars or polymers, break down once inside the skin while releasing medication, reducing waste, but requiring longer wear times. Hydrogel-forming microneedles swell upon contact with bodily fluids and release medication gradually, making them effective for drugs like ibuprofen and other hydrophilic compounds. Manufacturing microneedle patches is a highly specialized process that often separates the production of adhesive patches from the microneedle arrays. First, a specialized microneedling company will need to create a roll of microneedling material for a converter like Strouse to use. Next, the converter will modify both the microneedling and the other materials that are incorporated into your product. To maintain sterility and prevent contamination, production typically occurs in clean rooms, which are controlled environments designed for medical-grade device manufacturing. These controlled conditions not only ensure safety, but also reduce the need for costly sterilization later. By collaborating with manufacturers early in the design process, companies can ensure that adhesive components and microneedle arrays are combined efficiently, resulting in patches that are safe, cost-effective, and reliable. If you want to find out more about medical adhesives or how working with a converter can help your project, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.